Welcome to Recettes Cuisine's channel. In this episode, we dive into the wonderful world of pastry. Whether you're a kitchen novice or an experienced baker, this video is for you. Get ready to discover the secrets of creating irresistible desserts that will amaze your loved ones and delight your taste buds. In this video, we will explore different pastry techniques, from classic recipes to modern creations. We will show you how to make fluffy cakes, delicate tarts, and crispy cookies. Here are some key points we will cover. The basics of pastry. Discover the importance of quality ingredients. For example, use fresh butter for unmatched taste. Learn the fundamental techniques such as properly beating eggs to achieve light and airy meringues. Signature recipes. Follow our step-by-step recipe to create a mouth-melting chocolate cake. Awaken your senses with a fresh fruit tart, perfect for sunny days. Decoration and presentation. Discover how to use buttercream and fondant to give a professional touch to your creations. Learn how to plate your desserts to make them visually irresistible. By watching Rosie's Delights, The Art of Pastry, you will benefit from practical tips and tricks that will enhance your baking skills. You will learn to gain confidence in your kitchen, amaze your friends and family with delicious creations, and discover the joy of making and tasting your own desserts. Don't wait any longer. Subscribe to our channel to never miss any of our delicious recipes and pastry tips. Don't forget to like this video and share your creations using the hashtag #ResetteSquisines. We can't wait to see your sweet masterpieces. Thank you for watching and being part of our passionate pastry community. Together, let's create unforgettable delights.